Good morning. I'm at Enterprise South Nature Trail in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I'm here with my grandson, and we're going to do some hiking. We're going to go to a hidden lake that is in this area, and there's some surprises here that we're going to show you on the video. Follow along with us. Thanks. So this is what is so cool about this park is all the bunkers. There are many ammo bunkers here, and some of them will be open where we can look in.
To get wet.
The trees are a little wet. We're getting a little bit of wet on the trail. My selfie stick is not working, so I'm having to hold the phone. Say hi.
Hi.
But we are working our way on the Hidden Lake Trail now. Hey Clausen, do you know what it's called when the trail goes from there and then it switches there and then it goes up that way? It's called a switchback, and it helps climbing mountains a little bit easier, but it takes longer.
Can we video this? Are we almost at the hidden lake?
Yeah.
There's the hidden lake.
We are looking for bunker 50. And I knew it was in here to our right, so we think that big hill there is the backside of Bunker 50, and we want to go. So we got to follow the trail around.
I think it is because when I saw a bunker, that big thing it's sticking out on a bunker. That's why I'm saying on this. So I'm guessing it's a bunker.
Right.
And also there's a big trail. Ugh. Who's trying to do that?
Bunker 50 is special. That's why we want to go to Bunker 50.
It's open.
Careful on the wet wood. All right, turn right on the road.
Yes. I know. I'm scared. I want to go.
Bunker 50.
Wow. That's a big echo.
The ammo will be stored right in the middle.
Come on, Denim. Why in your imagination?
This is the a little wildlife viewing platform at the park. And there is crazy wildlife. Oh my gosh, there's one.